Welcome to this Trust Wallet tutorial about how you can add coins to your wallet, purchase crypto using a bank card, as well as Mavie Global assets. Here is a list of instructions you can refer back to in case you get lost. To get started, just log into your Trust Wallet, and when you log in, the first screen that you will land at should be this one here. Now all you need to do is click on Add Tokens and search USDT. You need to choose USDT BEP20 and TRC20. Next, you want to search BNB and choose BNB Smart Chain. Now search TRX and click on Tron. You should end up with these 4 coins in your wallet. Next, you just click on USDT BEP20. Here we're going to purchase crypto using your bank card. In the top corner is where you can change the currency, so just scroll through the list, pick the one that you want to use. Today I'm going to use NZ dollar. The minimum here in New Zealand is $51, but here is where you would input the amount of crypto that you need to purchase. Next, you just select the payment provider, making sure to always go with the one that's got the best rate. Now remember, some of our providers do require you to have ID, so make sure you've got that handy, otherwise it's just your banking card details, or you can use Google or Apple Pay. You'll also need to purchase BNB coin to cover the fees, but you'll only need the minimum, so it's the same process. Scroll through, choose the fiat currency that you would like to use, enter the amount of crypto that you would like to buy, select the payment provider that you would like to use, and press buy. Now once your payment has been processed, your coins will land back in their respective wallets. The next thing that you will need to do is create an order with Mavie Global. So just log into your Mavie account, go to your menu, click on gaming, payment or staking hubs. Doesn't matter, this example works for them all. Scroll through the list of assets available and choose the one that you want to buy, and then buy with USDT. Now this part is important, that you've got the right blockchain, and we are using the Binance Smart Chain BEP20. So make sure that you've selected this, click the circle to say that you understand, and then create the order. This will generate a wallet address that you'll need to copy to take back over to Trust Wallet so that you can send crypto to Mavie Global to purchase your asset. Log into your Trust Wallet once again, click on USDT BEP20 and then click on Send. Here is where you'll paste the wallet address that you've just copied, as well as enter the amount of crypto that you need to send over to Mavie to purchase your asset. Now make sure that it is the exact amount, no less or no more, otherwise you could risk losing your coin. And that's it for today. Congratulations on purchasing your asset, and welcome to the team, IN-DIGI-NIZED.